Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on ordered pairs. An ordered pair consists of two numbers that are written in a specific order. In simple terms, each ordered pair locates a unique position on a two-dimensional grid. Examples of ordered pairs are as follows. Number 1, 3, 5. Number 2, -2, 4. Number 3, -1, -2. And example 4, 4, -3. Each individual number in any ordered pair is referred to as a coordinate. So 3 is a coordinate and 5 is a coordinate. And it's the same for all the others. The first number is the x-coordinate and the second number is the y-coordinate. So 3 is the x-coordinate, 5 is the y-coordinate. -2 is the x-coordinate, 4 is the y-coordinate, and so on for the other two. Ordered pairs can be plotted on a number plane as follows. Now, excuse me, let's look at the first one. 3, 5. 3 is the x value, 5 is the y value, and they're both positive. So we start here where the two lines meet and we go 3 in the positive direction, 5 in the positive direction, so that's 3, 5. For -2, 4, we start here. -2 is an x value, so we go 2 to the left. 4 is a y value, so we go 4 in the positive direction, so there's -2, 4. -1, -2. -1 is an x value, so we go 1 to the left. -2 is the y value, so we go down, so there's -1, -2. And finally 4 -3, we start there, we go 4 to the right and 3 down, and there's 4 -3. The point 0, 0 on the number plane is referred to as the origin. So our starting point is here, where I said those two lines intersect. That is called the origin, and that's where we always start. So plot the following points on the given number plane. A, 0, 4. So if we start here, 0 means we do not go right or left. 4 means we go 4 up. So there's A, 0, 4. Number B is 3, 0. Start there. 3, 0 means we go 3 to the right and 0 up or down. Number C is -2, 0, which means we go 2 to the left and then we stay there. So there's -2, 0. And number D is 0, -4. 0 means we don't go right or left, and there's -4, so there's 0, -4. Example 2. Give the coordinates of each of the following points on the number plane. Let's start with E. There's the origin, so E is 5, 6. There. We start here, let's do F. -4, 5. There. G is -5, -3, there, and H is 4, -2. And there we are there. So this video has introduced us to the idea of ordered pairs. These are just two numbers represented by an x value and a y value, and they're written in a specific format, as we've seen. The first number is always the x-coordinate, the second number is the y-coordinate, and given any point, we can draw that point on the number plane. It's quite straightforward, and we've actually seen how to do that. It's very, very straightforward, and really, that's the basis of the whole lesson, locating points on the number plane.